In a field outside of town, we could always be alone. Carry a blanket, maybe a basket, and that's it. Innocence was the key. I was locked up, never free, until you turned me. Like vines we intertwine, carelessly growing up and growing. Old life was on our tongues. It tasted heavenly, so good. I wake up and I feel alone. I was just asleep, right where I belong, inside this sad, sad song. I knew this was a dream, it was too good to be true. Coincidences were a bit much too. Who wants to wake up? Who wants to lose it? Who wants to live in this place? I don't, so I'll be sleeping in